Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECTS application, and of course you need to add these headphones to the app. Then you need to go to the sound effects. And right here at the last line we have customized, so tap at this line and tap again. And now we can make something good. So let's say that's okay for me. Also we can select frequency, confirm, and that's it. You can also create one more preset, it's up to you. You can scan QR code or just create a new one. Let's call it test. Then save. And we have a new one. Now we can also remove some presets by click at the more at the right top. And right here we have a preset, we can delete it or name or reset and use it by default. So just tap delete, okay. And now let's maybe also reset it, and I will show you. So now I change it, but if I reset, we have it by default. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!